Hello children, welcome to Saraswati Shishukunj, Vagwala, Borsat. Today I am giving you the nice video session of chapter 7, Little Tiger and Big Tiger. Already you have learnt poem 8 and chapter 8. But when I was not available in school on that time, other teacher conduct this and our chapter 7 is remain. So I am conducting today Little Tiger and Big Tiger with the colorful pictures. I hope you will enjoy this chapter. Okay, now see this. In this story, there is a little tiger who wishes to hunt and roar like a big tiger. You can see in this picture there is one tiger and one his or her cub, right? Means small tiger. You can see here two tigers, one is big and one is small. But here we will talk that this small tiger want to roar like a big tiger, and he also want to hunt also same like big tiger. He know that he is a small cub, so but he want to hunt and roar like a big tiger. The little tiger in the story is an interesting character. In this chapter, what you will see, this is very interesting character, means that a small tiger cub is very interesting character. So you will definitely love this chapter. Let's have a look at the jungle he lives in. Now first of all you will see that they both are living in the jungle, right? There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. You can see both of them in this picture. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. This jungle is always shady with lots of trees and lots of greenery, right? So in the shady jungle, these both are living. They are living near a river. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. When the dark is happening, means in the night, right? In the night the sky was become dark. On that time what happened? The mother tiger is going for hunting deer or pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. Always what happened? The tiger cub is very small. That is why he is always near, always staying near and close with his mother. You can see right now also he is sitting with his mother like you. You are always going somewhere, so you are always sitting with your mother or father. Now see what happened. Once the tiger is going for hunt, on that time what happened? You can see one monkey, right? When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud harsh call. Means in this chapter what happened? In this story, the langur monkey is climbing on the tree and he saw that the tiger is coming down for hunt, right? And the tiger mother is there, so he is starting to shout, watch out, a tiger is coming. Means he is awareing to other animals. Okay, so he is awareing to other animals that see, aware, be aware, the tiger is coming. The sambar deer bellowed, the kakkar deer barked. There are two kinds of deer, right? Two types of deer. So they are also making their sounds. They are bellowing, they are barking, right? They are making noise and running. Why? Because they are frightened of tiger mother. Because when the tiger mother is coming, definitely she will eat them. That is why they are afraid, and that's why they are running and making their sounds. She hunted then for jungle fowl, for pheasant and for frog, or went to the river for fish. If see when all the animals run away, so what happened? She needs to hunt some other animals. So now what she will do? Now she will go beyond the pheasant. P-H-E-A-S-A-N-T, pheasant. Pheasant means a large long-tailed bird. If the birds are moving around over there, so the tiger mother will go back to them also. And for frog or went to the river of for fish, she will go with behind frog also. Behind in the river, she will catch the fish also, because she wants to eat and she wants to give food to her tiger cub also, small tiger cub. Okay, so she is hunting for herself and her baby. So if she will not find any big animals, so what she will do? She will catch some small cock or hen. What is the meaning of fowl? Some cock or hen type birds. Meaning of pheasant, a large long tailed bird, or frog or fish. The small animals he will catch, because he wants to eat, he wants to hunt, and he wants to feed her baby also. But she did not hunt every night. Now what happened, when the tiger is hungry, on that time only she is hunting. And when the tiger is not hungry, she is not going for hunt. So she is not going every night for hunt animals. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. Now what happened? When the moon was bright, right? Means in the night. The tiger mother is sleeping down and waiting. You can see this word DAWN, dawn, dusk and down, remember? Yes, in the early morning. When the night is happening, on that time, the mother tiger is waiting for the early morning. Okay, down. She switched the tip of her tail, and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. You are playing with your mother, children? Right? So like that way, this small cub is also playing with his mother. How? Twitched. Twitched. Twitched means movement. Means the mother tiger, what the mother tiger is doing? She is moving her tail. Near, far, up, down. So the baby tiger is pounced. Pounced means the cub is pounced on her tail, means keeping her hand, means whole paw on her tail and playing with it, and keeping in its mouth and doing musty with the tail. That is called twitched. One night the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog. In the picture you can see a small tiny frog. Yes, with the yellow color. Yes. One night what happened? The mother tiger was very tired, and that is why she closed her eyes and sleeping. And on that time, the small cub was seeing one tiny frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Hopping along the ground, the tiger cub pounced, but the frog hopped away. What happened? Always the frog is hopping on the ground, right? So tiger cub is also going behind it. He is moving its back, but when he tried to catch the frog is jumping ahead. And jumping means hopping away. You can see in this picture, see. Okay. He chased the frog and caught it. Now what happened? See in his mouth. Now he caught the frog and turned to show his mother. Now where he is going? He is going with his mother that see, I caught the frog. But she was not in sight. What happened? When he went to his mother to show that, see mother, I caught the frog. But on that time what happened? Mother tiger was not there. So now let's see where the mother tiger is. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. Now, what happened? The small cub was finding her mother. But what happened? Instead of her mother, the small tiger is seeing one big tiger. You can see here this big tiger. Her mother is not there. But more than bigger means more than a very big size tiger he can see. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. Of course, if you will see very big tiger, so you will definitely be frightened. So it is small cub, and he is seeing the tiger is glistened and watching to the cub. Glisten means making small eyes and seeing to the cub, because the tiger was thinking that whose cub is this? Let me eat this cub. But a roar filled the jungle, the roar of the mother tiger. Now what happened? Suddenly the mother tiger came and roared loudly. Okay, because mother tiger wants to save his child. Okay, so she will not allow to the tiger to eat his small baby, right? She faced the other tiger and he went away. Now mother tiger became angry and standing in front of that big tiger and making very big roar. So what happened? The tiger frightened away and went away. The mother tiger liked to roar a loud big tiger roar. Means mother tiger likes to roar very loudly. And what happened? The big tiger ran away from there to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. Now, the mother tiger means tigress is a very aggressive than tiger. Okay? So, if she wants to tell the other animals also that I am here. No one will dare to touch my cub and I am here. All the other animals in the jungle kept far and far away, because all the animals frightened, because tigress was shouting, the mother tiger was roaring loudly. So all the animals frightened and kept far away. The tiger cub also liked to roar a loud tiger cub roar. Now what happened? The cub is coming with his mother and he was very happy because he saw his mother, that now my mother is here, now I am safe. And he also liked to roar. He is also making small roar. He can't make a big roar like his mother, but he is trying to roar loudly like his mother, to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there. Like his mother, he also want to tell all the other animals that I am also in the jungle. He is small but behaving like big. Okay, he is small but he is behaving like his mother, that he is also starting to roar. But all the other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all and none of them ran away. Why? Because this is very small cub. Who will frighten? No one will frighten, because this is very small and no one ran away, right? But there came a year when the small tiger cub was a full grown tiger. But there came a year. After 1 year, what happened? The small tiger cub was full grown brown tiger. Means it become big. After 1 year, it also become very big tiger. He walked for a miles along, hunting for game at night. Now he also become big like his mother. So now what happened? He also walk alone, long miles. He is also going and hunting, because now he become very big tiger. When he roared to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, now he is also roaring loudly like his mother. because now he became big and he is trying to roar loudly in the jungle, okay, to show that now he is also there in the jungle. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. Now, what happened? When he was small and he was roaring, no one moved here and there. But now, what happened? Now he became very big tiger. So, now all animals frightened. And when he was roaring, all animals kept far away. Means all animals are moving from their side. And the great big tiger that had been a small tiger cub, hearing his own loud roar. Now he understood that now I become very big tiger. Now whenever I am roaring, it's become very loud roar. Smiled to himself a great big smile. Now he is smiling inside. Why? Because he is becoming very big tiger and now he can frighten to anyone, right? Because when he was small, no one was frightened, right? But now all animals are frightened because now he is becoming very big tiger. So from inside he is making smile that now I am big tiger. Understood, children? This is very nice and interesting story. Okay, so we will learn more exercise, spellings, word meanings and other exercise in our next video. Okay, if you can't understand this story, revise it thoroughly, listening thoroughly. Okay, then you will understand very nicely. Okay, children, we will meet in our next video. Okay, until then, stay safe. Jai Hind and goodbye.